Binance scams to watch out for. Protect your funds. Did you know thousands of Binance users lose money every month? Not because of trading, but because of scams? If you're using Binance, this video could save your funds. Today I'll break down the top scams targeting Binance users and how to avoid them. Let's protect your crypto. Binance is one of the world's biggest crypto platforms. That makes it a prime target for scammers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, knowing what threats exist is your first line of defense. Visual show a chart of Binance user growth and headlines of scam news. On-screen text. Scammers follow where the money goes. The most common scam? Phishing. It starts with a fake Binance website that looks 99% real. You click a Google ad or a fake email login and boom, your credentials are stolen. Visual side-by-side comparison of real Binance versus fake site. Tips on screen. Always double-check the URL. Binance.com. Use bookmarks for login. Enable 2FA. Next, beware of fake Binance apps and browser extensions. Some even appear on the official app stores. Once installed, they can steal login info, private keys, or even redirect transactions. Visual app store screenshots with fake versus real logos. Tips. Download Binance only from the official site. Never install auto-trading extensions you don't trust. Ever seen tweets like, send one BNB, get two back? That's a classic giveaway scam. No real project asks you to send crypto first. Visual, Twitter and YouTube screenshots with fake giveaways. Tips. Never send crypto to claim crypto. Cross-check on Binance's official channels. Watch out for fake support agents or influencers who DM you offering help. Binance never contacts users first on Telegram or WhatsApp. Visual, screenshots of fake CZ. Binance, support chat, screenshots, tips. Disable DMs from unknown users. Use Binance live chat support only from the website. Scammers also lure users into shady tokens or launchpad clones. You invest in a promising project and suddenly the devs disappear with your funds. Visual. Timeline of a rug pull, project launch, hype, sudden exit. Tips. Research token audits. Use Binance Launchpad for verified projects. Be wary of too good to be true gains. Here's your Binance safety checklist. Enable 2FA. Set up an anti-phishing code. Don't trust DMs. Bookmark the official site. Regularly review login activity. Visual. Security dashboard demo on Binance. Call out your account equal your responsibility. One trader lost over $15,000 after logging in via a fake Binance link. He had no 2FA and used the same password elsewhere. Within minutes, his funds were gone, and there was no way to reverse it. Visual timeline of how the scam happened. Emotional impact. Message. This is real. It happens fast. Be prepared. Crypto gives you control, but also responsibility. The best way to protect your Binance account? Education. Now you know the top scams to avoid. Call to action. Like this video if it helped you stay safe. Subscribe for more crypto guides and share this with a friend. You might just save their funds too. Visual. CTA animation plus social media handles plus subscribe button.